Okay, and we're going to start with, there's two sides we're going to cover, as Kathleen mentioned. One is about the best tools available for aggregating information, so digesting content, news sources, industry stories, things like that. And then the second half is talking about social network aggregation, so how to maximize your time in getting what you want to say out to the masses around you, rather than using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and other services like that all individually. Okay. I'm wondering, how to hold the microphone and use the tablet at the same time. Okay. Now, for everybody who's not the screen, Google Currents is here. Now, if anybody's got an iPad, they've seen some services like this before. This is available for Android and iPad, but it's essentially one of the coolest services available for Android at the moment. Not available for BlackBerry. Shows you a list of all the popular news sources out there, particularly ones that appeal to pasty-faced geeks like myself. So we got TechCrunch, Mashable, Kotaku, and essentially you can add any news source that you would like.
So like for the simpletons of us, New York Times, Financial Times.
New York Times, Huffington Post. You can even add the Standard if you're really, really short of news. I think they update a page every week, so there should be some good stuff if you tune in every 7 days. And here I've added just a list of sources here, and every time you go into this tool, it'll synchronize with the news source and provide the latest stories for you. Okay, so in the case of TechCrunch, you can go through it as though it's the pages of a newspaper and take a look at all the different news stories.
So it's like Flipboard, but news.
Flipboard's not available for Android. Well, what is that? No, Flipboard's kind of like this,
Right.
but only this is for Android. So here's a news story, and again, pictures. If you want to take a better look at the picture, you can. So again, it's pretty user friendly in terms of news sources. Now, Google Currents is available for Android and Apple devices for some reason. And if you want to add different news sources, you've got essentially two tabs, the library and the trending. So you just tap on the trending, and you can add an additional news source here. So I'm just going to take a look at the screen, give me a second. Okay, I'm going to add New York Times. If I spell it right. Just a moment, the Wi-Fi is, I think everybody's using the Wi-Fi.